But how did you manage? Because right now the youngsters, they are only in Vidyarthi Jeevan. You are in the Grahastya Jeevan as well as in Vidyarthi Jeevan, right? तो इन लोग बोलते हैं टाइम नहीं मिलता, टाइम नहीं मिलता. अरे कहां से टाइम लाए, है ना?
नहीं टाइम.
और आप दो दो बच्चों को संभाल रही हैं, फैमिली संभाल रही हैं. तो हाउ डिड यू मैनेज?
I had
और खाली पास नहीं, 8 10.
yes, it's not easy. It was never easy. But I want to tell the children today, don't give that excuse because tomorrow you're going to go in the corporate world. And if you give that excuse कि time नहीं है, तो वो the CEO बोलेगा फिर आप please exit कर जाओ. You have to work in flexible working hours also in the corporates. So वो time management अभी से चालू कर दो. You know, from today you have to say I will remove 6-7 hours in a day for my CS course, a CA course, a CMA. If you are not dedicated from today, or if you not have that kind of, you know, time management is the key. You know, wherever you go, I mean, whatever you do, whatever you pursue in life, time management is the key. If you can't manage your time, you can't manage anything in your life. So I feel that remove 6-7 hours in a day, dedicate yourself, keep the mobile away, keep everything away, because no distractions at all. When I was with my books were everything. Right now, as I have the Companies Act 2013 Bear Act in my purse, I carry it wherever I go. Time mila, EDP ka break, children are whiling away their times. You know, they are chit-chatting, they are doing masti. I have my book in my hand, I am learning all the section numbers, I am reading because I want to enter the corporate world tomorrow. I have to be the better than them.
Absolutely.
So I have my, it's like a Bible for me, you know. I have to read it. If I don't, मेरे को टेंशन आ जाता है कि आज मैंने कुछ सीखा ही नहीं नया. Sir ने जैसे बताया, from yesterday I want to be better today. So you have to learn. Tax Bear Act is always with me. It's a very fat book, so I don't carry it in the purse. But tax ka, company law, you have to know at the tip of your tongue. If you don't know all that, and if you just say कि you know I'm whiling away my time watching the mobile, watching the TV, मैंने सब give up कर दिया था. For 1 year I have not watched TV, mobile, no Insta, no Facebook, nothing. I have not gone for a movie. I have not gone for an outing. My husband used to take my children and go. They used to watch movies and come back. इतने time में I used to say कि you know.
तो आप लोग जो है, आपके बच्चे नहीं हैं, मैक्सिमम लोगों के आपके हैं. तो ये बोले मैक्सिमम लोगों के बच्चे नहीं हैं, तो वो थोड़ा सा टाइम, मैक्सिमम टाइम तो बच्चों को देना ही होगा उन. और आप लोग वो टाइम जो है थोड़ा अपने ऊपर खर्च कर सकते हैं, मूवी भी देख सकते हैं, सब कर सकते हैं. इन स्पाइट ऑफ दैट आप बोलेंगे अगर टाइम नहीं है, टाइम नहीं है, टाइम नहीं है, तो बहुत नाइंसाफी हो जाएगा. माँ सरस्वती सुन लेंगी, बोले बच्चा बोल रहा है क्या नहीं है, टाइम नहीं, मतलब इसको और टाइम चाहिए, और टाइम चाहिए, टाइम पे टाइम, टाइम पे टाइम, टर्म पे टर्म, टर्म पे टर्म लगते जाएगा. तुम जो सोच रहे हो वही बनोगे. तुम बोल रहे हो ना टाइम नहीं है, टाइम चाहिए, टाइम चाहिए, तो माँ सरस्वती बोलेगी और 6 महीना ले, फिर पढ़ करके और 6 महीना ले, बिकॉज यू डिमांडेड दैट. क्या आपके पास सफिशिएंट टाइम है? हाँ, तो सबके पास सफिशिएंट टाइम है, उसको बेस्ट मैनेज करो.
And I feel always, you know, don't waste your time on social media or Instagram and Facebook. Have that, you know, thing in you that, you know, that will keep you going. If you don't have, the corporates will not absorb you. It's very difficult world outside. You have to be on your toes. You have to update yourself. Like sir said, the small companies, वो update आया था, मैंने सुबह को ही पढ़ लिया था.
देखो, this is what separates normal and the best of the best. You understand?
I need to be updated. सुबह को टैक्स का जो भी you know ये हुआ, अपडेट हुआ, कंपनी लॉ में कुछ अपडेट आया, everything is on my mobile. I keep in track of all
Great.
judgments,
Great.
orders. You have to be updated. If you're not updated, the corporates will not absorb you. It is so difficult. I'm not saying, you know, if you have to have knowledge, rank के first attempt, second attempt, nobody sees in the corporate world. What they see is your knowledge.
Correct.
If you don't have that knowledge, from the walk that you enter the CEO's office, he will gauge you. This person doesn't have that kind of knowledge. But अपना confidence और knowledge होता है ना, तो automatic आपका चाल भी ऐसे ही हो जाएगा कि boss, I am also CS. You know, I'm also coming, I'm a KMP. So give me that kind of respect. You know, so knowledge is the key. जितना हो सके पढ़ाई करते रहो. There is lots of scope outside in the world, but be your best. keep updating yourself.
गजब।
Read all orders, judgments, updates regularly होना चाहिए. Instead of seeing Instagram, see the order. आज क्या order आया? Supreme Court का क्या judgment आया?